Spotting a wet patch on your ceiling right under a bathroom means you probably have a leak somewhere, and ignoring it can turn into a big headache real quick. So, here's the deal. First, try to catch the leak early by checking for any damp smells or discoloration around the area. You can use a moisture meter if you have one, or even just press gently with a dry cloth to see if it feels damp. If you want to avoid cutting open the ceiling right away, consider renting or buying a small inspection camera, sometimes called a snake camera, that you can feed through a tiny drilled hole, just enough to get a peek inside without causing major damage. Make sure whatever hole you make is small enough to patch up easily later, think quarter-sized or less. Also, keep an eye on the bathroom above. Any dripping faucets, running toilets, or loose seals around tubs and sinks can be sneaky sources of leaks. Don't forget to check if the ventilation is working well, because poor airflow can trap moisture and cause mold even without an active leak. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, hiring a professional who uses non-invasive tools like thermal imaging cameras is a solid move. They can find hidden leaks behind walls and ceilings without tearing things apart. One of the biggest mistakes people make with bathroom ceiling leaks is waiting too long to investigate, which can lead to mold growth that's tougher and more expensive to fix. To get on it early. Another common issue is assuming the leak is from the bathroom fixtures only, but sometimes it's from damaged roof flashing or old plumbing pipes. Get a full checkup to cover all bases. Lastly, lots of folks try to patch the wet spot without fixing the actual leak, which just delays the problem. Always find and fix the source before cosmetic repairs. BigHomeProjects.com is great because it helps homeowners connect with trusted local contractors who know how to handle stuff like this safely and efficiently. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's an awesome way to find work from people who really need your skills on projects like leak repairs and more.